Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to week number 5 of our Mechanical Keyboard Day giveaways. During the next days, you'll get the chance to win Corsair's first 60% mechanical keyboard. If you want to know how, then stay with me. So, this is the CORSAIR K65 RGB MINI, a feature boasting 60% mechanical keyboard. It offers a new technology called Axon, an embedded onboard system with a real-time operating system and a high-performance SoC, enabling a blazing fast throughput and hyperpolling with up to 8000 Hz. Axon processes complex instructions in parallel much faster and more efficiently than previous technologies. Gamers also benefit from an advanced scheduling algorithm which takes care of a reliable transmission of your keystrokes whenever you need them. On top of each key switch, Corsair placed durable PBT double-shot keycaps with a thickness of 1.5 mm. The keyboard is delivered with an additional radiant spacebar and a Corsair logo key. Despite the small form factor, Corsair integrated a standard bottom row layout which lets you swap in your own custom keycaps if you like. And of course, you'll get all the shiny and programmable single key RGB illumination with the K65. For even better portability, the K65 uses a detachable USB Type-C cable. This, in combination with the compact 60% layout, allows for easy transportation. Now, one might think that because of the fact that the K65 uses fewer keys, users will have to sacrifice on some functions as macros or media control. But no, Corsair integrated extensive onboard shortcuts to use these and more functionalities. All of these shortcuts can be adjusted in the brand new generation of the iQ software, which rocks a new UI and some more features than the former version. For the switches, Corsair decided to offer this little guy with our CHERRY MX RGB Speed Silver, Silent Red or Red switches, depending on the region. So the fans of linear switches in particular will get what they're looking for. This one's here equipped with MX Speed Silver, our fastest switch for desktop applications to date, but the winner can also get it with MX Red. So head down in our video description, follow the link there and enter our giveaway where you have to answer 2 questions correctly and follow some of our MX social channels. Boost your chances of winning by following some more of our social accounts and the ones from Corsair as well. Just a little advice from my side. But please be aware that the entries are open this week only, so from the 7th of June until the 13th. I keep my fingers crossed for you folks and happy Mechanical Keyboard Day.